Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example, in messages, notes, in the browser, whenever you want to, just have the keyboard on the screen. And all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings. If for some reason you cannot find them here, no worries, three dots icon, tap on got it, and the settings will appear right here. You can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this position in order to have much faster access to it, of course. So let's enter the settings. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which you can choose all available languages. So as you can see, this list is so wide and so impressive. I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. If you want to, you can simply tap on this icon here and you can search for a particular language. I'd like to pick this one. Alright, so basically find it and tap on it. Sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So again, tap on the one you'd like to use. And here we've got the keyboard types. And again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick from 1 to up to 5, I believe, or 6 different keyboard types. You can pick all of them. So for example, you use 3 different keyboard types connected only with one language, or you can pick only one, whatever. I will pick the second one, so I will leave it ticked, marked, and both of the other keyboard types will be unticked. And if you're ready, just tap on done. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been applied in this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check if there are any differences. So we've got actually 2. First, the first one is this language key, a globe icon, which will actually allow us to change the language. What's more, unfortunately, it's not visible right now, but no worries. After changing the language, it will be activated. The spacebar will not be empty anymore. So we will have the name of the language which we've got currently set, which is currently visible. So as you can see right now, I'm typing, let's say, English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. What's more, as I said, the spacebar is not empty. Right now we've got the name. So let me type in Urdu, whatever, and tap on this globe icon again, and as you can see, we've got again the name of the English language. So basically, this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 different languages added. You want to just set one. So let's enter the settings here again, tap on the languages, and here let's find this icon, the pencil icon. So let's simply tap on it. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of the video. So let's go back to the keyboard, and here we've got again 2 differences. So the globe icon is not visible. What's more, the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we can only type in English. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.